Good morning, students. Welcome to English class. Today we will do helping verbs am, is and are. So let's begin. Is means hai, am means hu, are means hain. Let's know more about them with an interesting story. There was a class having group of friends. He, she, this, that, it was a group of friends. Second group was you, we, they and these, those. And I was alone. Three new students came to their class. First came am. Am went to the first group and asked them to make him friend. They denied and then Am became very sad. Then I called him up and make him friend. Now they both are friends. Next student was is. Is went to I and asked him to make him friend, but I denied. Then is went to second group. They also denied to make him friend. Then is went to first group and they make is their friends. Now is in first group of he, she, this, that and it. And the last student R came to the class and went to I to make him friend. But I denied and R went to second group and they all became friends. So kids, am is used with I. I am. We use am for ourselves, himself और herself. am का यूज़ I के साथ होता है I am. और ये हम अपने लिए बोलते हैं या कोई बॉय और गर्ल अपने लिए बोल सकता है. is used with he, she, it, this, that. यानी इसके ये 5 फ्रेंड्स हैं जिनके साथ ये यूज़ होता है. is used with singular nouns, a girl, place, animal or a thing. Kids, we use are with you, we, they, these, those. Like are is used with plural nouns, persons, places, things and animals. Let's take a quick review through a table. Am is used with I am. Is used with he, she, this, that and it. He is, she is, this is, that is and it is. Are is used with you, we, they, these, those. You are, we are, they are, these are and those are. Kids, now make sentences. I am a girl. मैं लड़की हूँ तो am के लिए हमने हूँ का यूज़ किया है. They are friends. यह दोस्त हैं तो are के लिए हैं का यूज़ किया है. Mickey is sad. मिक्की उदास है तो is के लिए है का यूज़ किया है. Kids, hope you understood the topic. Goodbye.